Fourth class. Hope you all are well. So today we are going to start our next chapter of second term, that is chapter number 6, fractions. So what is a fraction? You all know very well. Fraction is a part of a whole thing. एक complete चीज़ के किसी भी parts को अगर हम उसको part में divide कर दें, equal parts में divide कर दें, then the each part will be can be written as the fractional number, and fractional number has always two parts. That means one is numerator and other is denominator. How the fraction is written? 1 over 2, 1 over 3. These are the fractional number in which one is numerator, above part is called numerator and below part is called denominator. So let us take one more example. Write the fraction for the shaded part in each figure given below. So we are first doing let us recall. Let us recall is also in your syllabus of 6th chapter. Let us recall all the sums we will do and you will revise it properly. So if we talk about this shape is divided into 7 equal parts. So 7 equal parts in which each part is called 7 equal parts. This is 1 over 7. So second part can be written as 2 over 7. Third is 4 over 7, 3 over 7, and fourth is 4 over 7. Fifth is 5 over 7. Sixth is 6 over 7. Then each part can be written in the fraction. That means in the denominator we will write the total parts, and in the numerator we will write the shaded parts if we want to write fraction for the shaded part. So how many are shaded here? 4 are shaded. So 4 over 7 is the fractional number for this figure. In the next figure also, how many total parts you will count with me? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So total parts you will always write in the denominator, and in the numerator you will write how many parts are shaded, because we are writing the fraction for shaded part. So it is 2 over 9. Next is how many total parts? 8 total parts in the denominator and shaded part in the numerator, 5 over 8. In this way you can solve all these and can write the answers. Next is shade the picture to match the given fractions. So now fraction is given and you have to shade according to the given fraction. In this first sum, 20 are the total parts, because 20 is written in the denominator. 20 are the total parts and 11 might be shaded. So you have to shade 11 parts of this figure with your colors, or you can also shade it with your pencils. So shade 11 parts in this, and in this figure second part you have to shade 3 parts. Out of total 8 parts you will shade 3 parts. Next also 3 you will shade. In the D part you will shade 5. Here in the E part you will shade 1, and in the F part you will shade 2 boxes, because 2 over 9 is the shaded fraction. Next is write in words. How we can write the fractional number in words? 5 6 you will write the numerator as it is, and th with the denominator number, that is 5 6th. 7 over 8 7 8. 5 over 11 5 11th. 3 over 7 is 3 7th. 2 over 9 is 2 9th. 3 over 13 is 3 13th. In this way you can write the fractional number as the words. Next is sum number 4. Write numerator and denominator of each fraction. So you know very well, in the 2 over 5, which is the numerator? 2 is numerator, 5 is denominator. Upper part is numerator, lower part is denominator. So you can mark it as numerator and denominator. Next is write the fractional number for each statement. Now you have to write it in fraction. 7 out of 19 kites are yellow. What is the fraction for the yellow kites? How many are total? You will write in the denominator, and 7 out of 19, that means 7 in the numerator and 19 will be in the denominator. 5 students out of 31 are girls. 5 over 31 will be the fraction of this. 21 out of 26 are men. So 21 over 26. Total you will always write in the denominator. So Radha spent 18 rupees out of 35, 18 over 35. Ankita obtained 14 marks out of 25 marks. So 14 over 25 will be the fraction for this statement. Next is write a fraction for each division given below. So division is given, it is given in the division form. You have to write in the fractional form. 1 divided by 5. You will write 1 over 5. Next is 2 divided by 3, 2 over 3. 3 divided by 4, 3 over 4. 5 divided by 7, 5 you will write above and 7 below. Next, in the next sum, write a division for each fraction. Now fraction is given and you have to write in the division form. 3 divided by 4, this is 5 divided by 7, this is 3 divided by 8, this is 5 divided by 17, this is 11 divided by 19. Now find, what we have to find in this, 1 over 5 of 10. Here you have to remember that of will get converted into sign of multiply. Of is sign of multiply. Now after cancelling, you can cancel it on any other common table. 5 or 10, 5 and 10 are present in the table of 5. Common table is 5, so 5 ones are 5. Here you will write 1 and 5 twos are 10. So what is remaining here? Only 2 is remaining. 1 multiply 2 is 2. Again of sign will change into multiply. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. You can cancel it out on any other common table. So 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. Next is 3 over 4. Of will become multiply. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 3 fours are 12. In this way you can solve all the parts. Thanks to all of you. Revise it properly.